Off the beautiful, rugged coast of Oregon, under the cold, quiet waves of the Pacific, a geological time bomb is ticking. This isn't a what-if scenario. This is a real-world scientific prediction. Scientists are warning that a massive underwater volcano, the Axial Seamount, is showing all the signs of an imminent eruption, possibly by the end of 2025. This is the story of what's happening right now, deep beneath the waves, and what it could mean for the millions of people living on the US West Coast. So why are scientists so sure? The Axial Seamount isn't just any volcano, it's one of the most active and most studied underwater volcanoes in the world, and it has a predictable pattern. It breathes. Over the last few years, instruments on the seafloor have measured the ground swelling, inflating by several feet. This is a clear sign that the magma chamber deep below is filling up, getting ready to exhale. At the same time, the area is being shaken by thousands of tiny earthquakes, a seismic swarm, which is another classic sign that an eruption is near. The way the volcano is breathing, inflating with magma, is a chillingly precise process. If you find this real-time planetary science fascinating, let the algorithm know that you're watching by hitting that like button. But the mind-blowing climax is the volcano's history. The Axial Seamount has erupted on a surprisingly regular schedule. In 1998, then in 2011, and again in 2015. Scientists have studied this cycle so closely, they have successfully forecast its eruptions before, and based on the current rate of inflation and seismic activity, their models all point to the same conclusion. The next eruption is due now. So what would an eruption actually look like? Forget the mountains of fire you see on land. This would be a fissure eruption, where long cracks on the seafloor would split open, spewing molten rock into the freezing ocean. This creates megaplumes, massive bubbles of superheated toxic water that rise to the surface. And the biggest question, a tsunami. While a mega tsunami like the one from Japan is unlikely from this specific type of eruption, localized tsunamis are a real possibility. And the release of volcanic gases could pose a threat to marine life. We are literally watching a planetary event getting ready to happen. This story connects back to humanity by showcasing the incredible power of modern science. For all of history, volcanoes were terrifying, unpredictable monsters. But today, thanks to constant monitoring, we can watch, we can learn, and most importantly, we can predict. This isn't a story about fear, it's a story about knowledge. It's a testament to human ingenuity in the face of the awesome and immense power of the planet we call home. The Axial Seamount is a predictable threat. But what about the geological monsters that give us no warning at all? That's a question for another time.